All right, guys, we at the yard trying to get a header panel because mine's cracked up. As you guys know, it's been cracked up for a minute. It's the connect, the plug, the problem. It's getting more grassy. The grass is getting longer here. Every time I get here, the grass is longer. But these be the best ones, man. I had to wear pants. Let's see if we can find. The Regal. It's getting hot out here, boy. I got snakes back here. Ticks. Everything. But the Buick Regal hard to find. I knew there was a couple Regals here last time too. But now you can't even see these motherfuckers, bro. The grass got so long. That's a decent header panel for Malibu. It's cracked up though. Yeah, I know I was over there looking at Malibu over there. All of a sudden the Malibus be catching my interest a little bit, but I'm really not into them. The longer we record, the quicker this phone goes. So there's a Regal with a lid on it. Right there, boom. But now, where's the Regal with the good grill on it? That's a good trunk lid. But the front end of that one's smashed. Got good filler panels though. Good filler panels. I gotta find one. Let me cut y'all back on in a minute. I gotta call them and ask where the Regal front is. All right, so he said it's closer. It's towards the west. So, but these don't look like Buicks over here. These look like Chevys. Ooh, it stinks. Put y'all back on in a minute. This is funny. This is my old car right here. This is the one I put the coil packs in. Huh. I recognize that little deer sticker. What are the odds?
You guys move the cars all the time, but then we got that high, you know?
Oh, you said if you move the cars, they won't get high?
Well, if you move the cars, you just run over the shit. Every time I do car, if I did your car out there, I'd weed like all that shit down. The red one there.
Where?
Two of the red one with the deck lid open. There's a header, red header right there.
That's too old for mine.
That's an 81 to 7.
That's a 81, but I need a 84 and up.
84 also got a bulge. They got bulge on the park lights.
Yeah, mine is a 87. That's a. Where's the?
Two over from that red car. There's a gold one also.
Two over.
Yeah.
Or I gotta climb through that way.
Yeah, I'll probably go through there. That's it. The plane's on that hood. That's it. There's a tan one. Looks like a tan one. Two over from that.
Let's see. The red one ain't got no header on it. Yeah, that's too old. Brown one don't have a header on it. But yeah, that header panel, my headlight bezels and stuff won't work on that one. Then I'm in another issue, you know what I mean?
Well, that's the headlamp, the other bezel in that red car.
Yeah, but like the headlight stuff that goes around the headlights, mine won't work on that.
Let me see. I'll be back up. Let me one other shot.
But I did notice on that brown car, because I was really just after a grill, the only thing on it is a grill. It doesn't have a header panel. The header panel's broke on it, but the grill is broken, but it's still there. All right, guys, so I'm getting the trunk lid for my Regal because mine's jacked up. But you know, there's things, certain jobs, certain yards have cheaper prices on certain things. Like this one, this trunk lid's a really good deal. You know, it's a really good deal. But he wants a lot for engines and rear ends and stuff. So just gotta take the good with the bad on some things. Trunk lid wasn't too bad, $150. I don't think that's bad considering you can get this is a rust-free one. It's real nice looking. OE, you know what I mean? Get that on my car. When we get it painted, it'll look good on there. I would like to get these filler panels, but they probably want a lot for them. So we'll get that. There was a shim under here and a shim over there. This one's got a shim right there, shim over there. What's up, guys? We're back at it again. We're at another junkyard. This time a little closer to where I live. And obviously the grass is cut down a lot lower. We can see more. Let's see what we got here. So I'm halfway interested in the rear end on this Camaro. Let's see if it's got disc brakes right here. It's got drums. So this might just be like a 97. They got converted to a 98 front. Yeah. Oh, there's Robbie right there. Let's see what he can do for us today. That's a movie star right there.
Yeah, trying to be.
He's about to be. That's crazy as hell to think about it, though, isn't it?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna spill any beans, but just know I said it first. Yeah, I think they swapped the front end on this. This is actually an older car, like you said. It's a 97 with the newer front end on it because the whole car is purple except for the front.
Yeah.
Almost caught me slipping. All the 98s and up have disc brakes on the back. That's got drums. Y'all let me know if y'all see anything I need to get, man. I pretty much got everything I need. going in there, is it?
No.
God dang it.
I got a smaller bill.
All right, guys, we're on our way back home finally. Y'all know we got the grill, we got our tools. The hood is in the trunk lid's in the back. Yeah, the trunk lid's in the back. We got our tools and the grill. We're gonna take the grill off the blue car, and since we're selling the blue Regal, we're gonna put this one on the blue Regal, and then we're gonna try to get a real nice grill for the other car, man. It sucks I lost my grill down in Texas, but it is what it is, man. We still have to get a header panel eventually, so we're not gonna order it right now though. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Tune in for the next video.